Hi, I'm Kati and I'm currently working at Career Global Corporation. I have an overall experience of 5.5 years. So I took the Scrum Master certification in April 2025, and post that I joined Chetan Sir's bootcamp, that is the Skid Up ED interview bootcamp that was led by Chetan Sir. Talk about the bootcamp experience. It was an overall duration of 2 months, and during the 2 months we had discussed all types of interview questions, all the Scrum related to Agile Scrum, all the interviews, all the techniques, and all the real-time experience that I would face. Also in terms of team management, stakeholder management. So all those things were discussed as part of the bootcamp session. Along with that, I also had a chance to attend three mock interviews. So 3 chances of mock interviews. The mock interviews did help me gain a lot of confidence in how to attend, what kinds of questions can be asked, how to be more confident to answer my questions as well. Along with that, I would also really like to thank Chetan sir for all of his time and support, and also the team who have constantly been in touch with any of the challenges that I had faced during that duration. Also, Chetan sir was always there in terms of whenever I had an interview, he would always reach out to me before the interview. He would reach out to me after the interview to ask me what kind of questions were asked, how was my experience, and what feedback did I receive. So yeah, I got a lot of support from the entire Skill Up ED. To come to the interview experience, I had 3 technical rounds and 1 HR round. 3 rounds which included everyone from the company who took up all the 3 rounds in technical. I was asked a lot of questions in relation to Agile, in relation to Scrum, Waterfall, Kanban. So most of the experience or the things that I mentioned in my resume, I was asked more questions on what was mentioned there. It has been almost 2 weeks since I've been on the job. I've been able to handle a lot of situations right now. I've been working with Jira and Confluence also. So I'm getting like hands-on experience now, but whatever training that was taken up, it did give me like a preparation to what has come now. So the advice for the newcomers would be, you can definitely go for the interview bootcamp, because those 2 months had helped me gain a lot of confidence in attending interviews.